I don't know where to start with this, but here we go. I was just going to get one eye tattoo at first because I thought that if I go blind, at least I've got the other eye. I should have stuck with that, Peterson said. Now we're talking about Anaya Peterson, an Irish black woman that decided to get her eyeballs tattooed. What I find interesting about this is not only is that you only have approximately a millimeter of thickness for the white part of your eye, which is the sclera, you also are a law student and a mother of 5 children. Who in their right mind is supposed to trust your judgment for people's lives? Oh, did I mention she is a mother of 5, already responsible for people's lives? And we wonder why the young adults and the children of today and of tomorrow become how they become and question things how they question and think the way they think. They have parents that would lose an eyeball for a tattoo job for whatever reason to make themselves feel better or whatever that might be, which is selfish when you have other people that solely depend on you for their life and protection, like your children and you being a parent. Be that as it may. My daughter told me that I didn't want to do that, asking, what if you go blind, Mom? She wasn't on board with it at all. And by the way, we're not talking about a daughter that's an adult daughter. No, her daughter's 7 years old, people. 7 years old and know what's pretty good and not good when at least it comes to the human body to some degree or extent. Shout out to the kid, man. But this is ridiculous. She was inspired by a young lady that is 11 years younger than her that had the same procedure done in Australia. I think she's 24 years old, and this lady's 35 years old, or somewhere like that. And her name is Blue-Eyed Dragon, or Blue-Eyed White Dragon, or something like that. And that brings up another interesting thing. It seems today we have the 20-something females training and teaching the 30-plus-year-old females. I mean, what is going on here? And I'm not saying you can't learn something from anybody, because you can. You can learn something from anybody. You can learn something from children, right? But if we want to look at ourselves as intelligent adults, really, how much can you learn from someone that is just now experiencing or haven't even experienced a quarter of the things that you have throughout your life? I'm not saying you can't pick some things up. We all can. But when we want to talk about our intellectual group of people, like our lawyers and our doctors and our engineers and so on and so forth, which Mrs. Peterson is aspiring to be by being a law student, doesn't that beg other questions to them, maybe about a lot of these people that we already have in these said positions, right? But anyway, I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments below, man. The next generations, man, are the future. They are the most important things that we have to keep the human civilization prospering and moving forward and progressing. What's right is right. What's wrong is wrong. I love you, world, man. Till next time. Peace, man. Good God.